Hi guys, spotted a little puzzle on Pinterest. There are videos on YouTube of the same thing, which I'll link to in the video description. It's one of those you have to try and work out how to get the ring from between the other two rings, although the ones in the videos aren't actually rings, they're sort of rectangular shaped things or diamond shaped almost. Anyway, I thought I'd do rings because it was easier to print. Need to clean that up before we can do it. Okay, I will clean that up and then I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. Well, they cleaned up quite nicely. So we have two rings with a gap in them, and then a smaller ring in the middle. You'd normally just use string, but I've used garden strimmer plastic because I happen to have some, and it actually looks quite pretty. So yeah, you can't pull that over either end. So the trick is, how do you get that off of there? If you don't want to know, don't watch. But at the moment, these are straight from one to the other. If we actually give it a twist, just a single twist, so that the bottom of that one goes to the top of that one, and then fold them together, what we should be able to do, if we get it right, is feed this. Where are we? It's got to go down over one. Feed that around there, and out we come. So that was on there. Won't go over there, won't go over there. Won't just go over there. That doesn't do it. These have to be one twist. And then this has to go, doesn't really matter which way you start it, but it has to work its way over there, over there. Are we done? No, we haven't done it. Do that again then. One twist. It probably would have been easier if I'd have used string. This is a bit springy. Right, make sure we've got a twist in it. Come on, work it out, Grandad. You got it off, get it back on again. Over one. Get it over both, I think. Oh, I'm glad I'm showing this, that I'm not know-all and get it right first time. Will that go over there? Have I got enough twists in it? Nope, done it wrong again. Got it all the way over. Twist. Hold. Over. Am I pushing the wrong one through? Is that what it is? That was it. I was trying to feed that one over when it's actually that one you have to feed through. Well, I bet watching that didn't help you, but we've got it back on there. Can we get it off again? At the moment, top is going to top, bottom is going to bottom, even though we got quite a loop on there. One twist. And then this has got to go. Come on, get it right. Off, yes. Yeah, I've clearly done it, and yet I bet you couldn't follow that. I'm quite pleased with myself getting that to work. I will put a link to the videos that I watched in the video description. And I say they're sort of a diamond shaped piece, but I don't think the fact it's a diamond shape makes any difference whatsoever. It's getting that thing on and off when it won't go over there, and it won't just go over there. You've got to put a twist in it. It'll go one twist. Over there, and then this is the thing that has to do the yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.